Oh my goodness. So I started working for a company called Swift & Staley, and we have a management team meeting every Thursday afternoon. And I walked into that meeting and noticed right away there was a quite handsome man across from me.
I remember seeing her and thinking, wow, who's that? I wanted to know more about her.
About 11 months later, after starting to work together, he finally got up the courage, I suppose you would say, to ask me out.
Yes, that was a very scary moment for me. I felt like I was a teenage boy again, asking a girl on a date. So that's something I'll always remember.
I knew right away that he was the one. He sent me a text that said, it may not be today, may not be tomorrow, next week, but someday I'm gonna marry your crazy ass.
March 30th of 2017 is when we officially started dating, and the rest is history.
So Ocean Towers, last year when we were here this exact week, Hurricane Michael came through.
So my plan was to propose in front of Ocean Towers on the beach.
So we were actually required to evacuate.
I've got the ring on me, it's in my bag, it's hidden in the closet.
And unfortunately, Ocean Towers was significantly damaged. That's the pool that I learned how to swim in, and so it's just near and dear to our heart.
I'll never forget her first answer, her first reply when I said, will you marry me? She said, did you ask my dad? But yes, I asked her mom and her dad for their blessing because I knew that was important to her.
Getting married in front of Ocean Towers is a no-brainer to us. We don't care that there's scaffolding in the back and that things are boarded up. It's right here. The one thing that I love the most about John is his patience. He has the patience of Job.
I think what sets her apart from anyone else is how much love and appreciation she has for her family.
He always asks me, always every single day, is there anything I can do for you?
And somebody that I know has a great heart and somebody I want to spend the rest of my life with.